Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Latifat Abifarin, also known as the CC Creator. So one of the fun memories I have as an adult is of my father and my grandma telling me beautiful, entertaining, educating, fun, dramatic stories as children. You know, tortoise stories, African stories, Nigerian folktales, and all of that. Sadly, that culture of storytelling is fading away. So I started this YouTube channel to give children of nowadays that experience that we had as kids, so that they can become familiar with some of the Yoruba culture, Yoruba stories, and Yoruba language, and even for adults as well. So you can watch my YouTube videos to learn Yoruba, to get entertained, and to educate yourself about Yoruba stories, Yoruba culture, and the Yoruba language. I'm going to be posting videos around Nigerian stories, African folktales, Nigerian folktales, learning Yoruba language for beginners and kids, and so much more. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification. I'm going to be posting new videos every Sunday 7 p.m. Catch you and see you there. Bye bye.